Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this thread work designing embellished with the beads, also with the pearls using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with the markings. I've given the line marking. This following the instructions. You can try this on the sleeves, also on the neckline. On that line I'd be giving normal chain stitch. For that I'd be using gold zari thread of single strand and 9 number hemming needle. Like this, on the complete line we have to give the normal chain stitch. Here I'd be elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. Following these instructions, you can also try this on your old blouse to convert into new designer blouse. And now next I'd be extending this design. For that I'd be applying the glue lines broadly to stick chain bow lace, followed with big size of chain bow lace, and next to that again small size of chain bow lace. This is how we'll highlight the neckline first, and once this is dried we have to give the normal chain stitch like this. Now I'd be showing the markings of this designing. We need to give the curve shape like this. Towards the ends we have to give 3 leaf shape markings like this. Ensure to have all the sizes should be of same size, and the remaining leftover will give the lines of 5 like this. This is of the center one with the bigger line and followed with 2 small lines like this. Now on the leaf shape markings we have to give the border designing. For that we are using here the zari thread of single strand, giving the normal chain stitch like this. The 3 leaf with the normal chain stitch, this is how it looks. Now the filling, for that I'd be using 12 strands of anchor thread which is of pink color here. It's a normal filling which is satin stitch. Without leaving any gaps we have to fill in these leaves. The materials which I have used for this designing are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want you can check it. Now the filling is done. On the markings I'll be applying the glue lines like this. This is to stick again the chain bow lace. Now on these 5 lines, the center line firstly I will be marking with a glue line. This is of 1 inch approximately. And the side lines I had already cut in 4 of chain bow lace. For that I'd be again applying the glue to stick the small size of chain bow lace. Here instead of chain bow lace you can also try with the stone lace, pearl lace, which will really gives most magnificent look, which you can try exclusively for the bridal collection or for the party wear collection. These are customized designer patterns. The markings which I have shown can be customized as per your requirement. The sizes may increase or decrease. Firstly give the markings on a piece of paper, then transform it on the fabric so that you will get the perfect shapes once you give the marking on the neckline. And towards the ends I'd be stitching here. This is of 1 mm pearls. At the ends I'd be stitching here. For that I'd be using cotton silk thread with 9 number hemming needle. And this is how we have to stitch at these tips. And next I'd be giving an invisible stitches once the glue is completely dried, because to stay for long run the glue work will really makes the work easy to do with less time and less efforts. Also for the washing you have to go with the light wash or the dry wash. Do not go for the wet wash or scrubbing. If you follow these instructions, these type of designs will stay for long run. And now that this is completely dried, I'll be giving an invisible stitches on it like this, leaving 2 or 3 chain bow laces. We have to give the stitch. Once the neckline is completed, the final finishing would look like this. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest